If you have a web hosting, that simply means that you can create a business email for your business or for whatever reason you want to use a business email for. And you can do this easily from your Cpanel. So depending on the host you use, you need to find how to get to your Cpanel. If you do not have a Cpanel and you need a business email, you might need to pay a third-party service to give you a business email account. But again, if you already have your own website and you have a hosting service, a hosting provider, wherever, you are entitled to get a business email. And the quantity of business email you're going to get depends on the hosting service you have or the hosting plan that you currently use. So a business email is simply an email that carries the name of your business. So instead of having your name at gmail.com, you have something attached to your own domain name, your own business, to show that you are a properly arranged business, you are a properly run business. So to create this email, all you have to do is to find your way to the Cpanel of your hosting provider. So this is my own Cpanel, and right here you can see that we have email accounts. Your own display might be different, but you are still going to find something called email account. So from here you can see that we have different things related to emails. You can see email direct here, redirect, email forwarders, email deliverability, and then you have autoresponders. So these are some of the things you gain from your hosting service. So you click on the email accounts so that you can create an email if you do not have anyone. So it's going to open and we are going to see some that I already have, and then I'll show you how to create a new business email. So right here you can see that I have one created already, but I want to create a new one, and all I have to do is come here where it says create email account. So I create an email account. So I'm going to wait for it to load. So it's come up here, and right here you can see that this is the domain. This is equally going to be your own domain, and you cannot change it because this is attached to your domain. So right here, this is where you have to put something like, say, you can say info@yourdomain.com or help@yourdomain.com or admin@yourdomain.com. Whatever you want, that's what you are going to add right here. I like to use info, although I've already created one that has info, so I doubt if they would allow me create that. So let me just use services@thedomainname.com. So now you just need to create a password. You can easily generate one here, but I'm just going to create one. So this is easy for me. So I need to hide that. So why is it not covering? Okay, let me just generate a password and that'll be all. So this is a password I've generated, and I'm going to copy that. And unlimited allocation, this depends on your host. You may not need to turn this on or off, but I think this is fine. So you just click on create. So the moment you create this, you will have an email, a business email that has been created in your own business name. So right here you can see this is the one we've created, services@yourdomain.com. So from here you can change your password at any time. You can change the quota of the email. You can do some account configurations, and you can just delete this email account if you want. And this is a webmail. Webmail simply means where you go to send your emails or where you check the emails that you receive. So I'm going to open the webmail. So again, this depends on the services that your own hosting provider uses. All I have to do is just come here and click on open. So you click on open and we can access our email. So as you can see, this is the email, the business email we just created, and this is our inbox, this is your drafts, this is your sent, this is your junk, your trash, and every other thing. This is equally your contact, your calendar, your settings, your refresh, and all of that. So let me test and send an email here and see if our business email is working. So I'll go to my regular Gmail and I'll click compose, and then I want to send it to the email we just created. That's not the email, so let me go back and copy this email address. So this is the email, so I have to put the email address right here, and then the service, the subject, I'm just going to say testing email. All right, so I'm just going to write this is a test, because it is a test, and then I click send. So we are going to wait and see if our business email is now working. So I've sent this email. Let me just click refresh, and we should get that email to our inbox right now. So let me refresh it again. So after refreshing, you can now see that we have one message in the inbox of our newly created business email, and this shows our business email is fully working. Let's try and send one. So I want to go to compose. So let's send a test email and see if our email is going to equally deliver. So let me say, so now let me send this message to the email and see. So you see our message has been sent successfully. So if you come to send, you can see the email you sent. So if I come here and go to my inbox, and see, this shows that our email is fully working. So this is how you create a business email from Cpanel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.